Hello there. Welcome to Social Ada. In this video, I will tell you about how you can add less than 500 rupees in your Google Ads account. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe. Let's begin. First, search Google Ads and open your Google Ads account. Go to Billing Summary. Go to Payment Methods, click on Add Funds. You will see many options to pay. You can see that most of the options need a minimum 500 rupees to add to your account. Click on Money Transfer. You will see details like bank name, IFSC code, and unique bank account number. Note down these numbers. Please note that these numbers are unique for your account, and you need to pay to this bank account only. Go to any app like Paytm or PhonePe. Transfer the money to bank account using the details shown to you in your Google account. Once the payment is done, you will receive a confirmation within 24 hours that your payment is added to your account. This way you can add any amount to your Google Ads account. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe to us. See you in the next one.